Morning mga pangga. My husband is ready for my interview. He's in for fun with my interview. How good is he with his Visayan memory and using it with whatever I'm gonna ask him. Okay, honey, are you ready? Okay. So, what do you do when there's a little kid who's asking for money? Say it in Bisaya.
Hi Joe, give me money Joe.
In Bisaya. And then what is your response?
Walang kwarta akong asawa te kayo.
Okay. All right, very good. And so when you were driving in the multi-cab, and then you have some passengers, and what did they say if they wanted to get down?
Honong.
Para. Para.
Oh, para.
Is it para?
Honong means go.
Yeah. Honong means stop. Honong means stop.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then how about when they say go?
Pagdali.
Dali na. Lakaw na. Okay. What else? What else did Visayan that you know?
Dandawai long neck kono 5 years.
Okay. So when you had sunburn, pretty bad. So what is your first words in Visayan that you did learn?
Suck it.
Oh, sakit.
Suck it kayo.
Okay. And okay, what else? What else that you know so far?
Ambutlang.
Huh?
Ambutlang.
Ambutlang. What is ambutlang means?
You have Kelly Brown.
No. Ambutlang means I don't know. Okay, so that's our fun driving around with him, and it's asking all his Visayan words. And okay, what else that you know to get by when you go around in the Philippines?
Pila.
Oh, okay, yeah. So how
much does that cost?
Yeah, so when you're buying items, and then you will ask the vendors the items, what do you say?
Pila.
Pila mani.
Pila money.
Yeah. And then when the sales girl or salesman would say how much it is, and then what do you say?
Sus mahal kaayo. Walang kwarta akong asawa te kayo.
Oh my gosh, por asawa este kaayo. Okay, so what else that you know Visayan words? Except bastos, no bastos.
When you see a traffic enforcer or a police, you reach into your pocket.
Ay, ambot sa imo, and then kwarta.
Hold on. You reach into your pocket and you walk up to the police officer like this.
Oy, stop.
Walk up to the police officer like this and shake his hand, and then let go of what's in your hand, and you give him $50.